Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and today we will start exercise 4b, and this exercise is totally based on the laws of exponent. Laws of exponent we have studied in the earlier videos, and today we will use those results which we have deduced earlier in this exercise. Okay, so let's start. Now our first question is fill in the blanks. Filling the blanks, first, second and third part are here. Now here you see 2 to the power 10 and 2 to the power 8 is equal to 2 to the power what? So we know that if the bases are same and the operation is multiplication, then the power are added. You can add them orally. 10 plus 8, that is 18. Your answer will be 18. Now here you will see 1 by 10 cube to the power 4. Here there is a exponent in the bracket and the overall power is 4. Here which rule we will follow? We will follow this rule. We will follow this rule. We will multiply the powers. Okay. So here we will multiply the powers. 3 to the 4, 12. Now here 8 to the power 5 is multiplied 8 to the power 6. They are within the bracket and the overall power is 3. Here first of all we will solve the internal operation of the bracket. So the both exponent are having same base and they are multiplied. Therefore what will we do? We will add the powers. So 5 plus 6 will be 11. Okay, this will become 11, and now it will be of form 8 11 2 power 3. Now this is the form same as we have done here. So we will multiply the powers. 11 into 3, that is 33. Therefore in this way we use the rule of the exponent and fill up the blanks. Here express in exponential form. Now in this part you are seeing that 7 cube and 7 to the power 4. I am saying cube. If the power is 3, then I will say cube, and if the power is 2, I will say square. Okay. Now here 7 power 3, 7 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 4, then what will we do? We will add the powers. So I will write just like this. So 7 to the 7. Now this is the exponential form of this one. Now same here. Now the bases are same and the powers are different. Now what we will do? The operation is multiplication here. So I will add all the powers. 2 plus 18 plus 7. So 2 plus 18 20, 20 plus 7 27. So I will write 9 to the 27. This is the exponential form. Now here you will see minus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 9. Its power is 4, its power is 12, and its power is 8. Minus 5 by 9, minus 5 by 9. I will write minus 5 by 9 and I will add the powers. So right here, and my answer will be 4 plus 12 16, 16 plus 8 24. Now this is the answer. Now question number 3, express with a single exponent. Here the same rule will be follow. Which rule? This rule, where there is a power of an exponential form. Okay, so 3 square to the power 2. So I will do 2 multiply 2. So its answer will be 4. So there is a single exponent. Clear? Now, in the same way, what will be the answer? Think for a while. 2, 3. 2 and 3 will be multiplied. So I will write 2 multiplied 3 and there will be the single exponent. 2 to the power 6. And in the same way, minus 5. 4 into 2. So I will write 8 here. Is it clear? Now, here 1 by 5 to the 4 to the 5. So 4 multiply 5. So 1 by 5 to 20. Now, first of all, I will solve the operation inside the bracket. Minus 1 by 2. Now, it is 2, it is 4. So, 2 plus 4. Why? As the bases are same and the multiplication is going on, that's why we add the powers. Minus 1 by 2, power 6, power 5. Minus 1 by 2, 6 5s are 30. Is it clear? Now, we have to simplify these questions. Now, how we will simplify? You know, whenever there is a bracket, we will have to solve the bracket first. So, when we see the bracket, I observe that this is minus 2 and this is 10. There is minus 1 by 2 and this is 5. So, there is no common base system is going on there. So, I have to simplify. It means I can opt any method. So, I will solve the bracket first. Minus 2 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 and the whole power is 2. Now, minus 2 multiply 1000 power 2. It means minus 2 is multiplied how many times? 2 times, and 1000 is also multiplied 2 times. So I can write it minus 2 to the power 2 and 1000 to the power 2. Student, yes, I have applied this rule here. You can see, when the two rational numbers are multiplied in a bracket and there is a power to their product, then how we will solve that. Okay, so I have adopted this method. Now, minus 2 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 and 1000 multiply 1000. Then what will be your answer? That will be 4, and so my answer will be 40 lakh. Clear? In this way we can find the answer, and we have simplified this question. Skip that question in the solution part. The solution part is in the green ink. Now I will take this question. Minus 3 to the power 5 and 2 by 3 to the power 5. So the powers are same, so we can write it like this, that minus 3 and 2 by 3 in the multiplication form are there 5 times. Clear? See, as we can write, 2 is there 4 times and 3 is there 4 times. Clear? So we can write it like this and we can write it like this also. Clear? This principle we have applied here. So now I will solve the bracket now. So I will cancel 3 with 3 at a ones table. Now minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, and power is 5. Now I will multiply minus 2 5 times. As you know, the minus in the multiplication is odd number of times, then the answer is in minus. And now we will multiply the numerical value. 2 multiply to 4 multiply to 8, 8 multiply to 16, and 16 multiply to 32. Now this is the answer. Clear, student? Now I came on this part. Here this is the bracket and there is this is a fraction and this is a normal rational number or the integer. Now there is no cancellation in the numerator and denominator, so I will multiply minus 5, 1 into 5, that is 5, and by 2. Now and the overall power is 2, that is square. Now this implies I have to multiply minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 twice. As we know, minus is multiplied even number of times, therefore answer will be in plus, and we will skip a plus positive symbol everywhere mostly. So 5 into 5, that is 25, and 2 into 2, that is 4. This is the answer. Student, this question we can solve here. (21 by 19 power 4 multiply 19 by 7 power 4. You will see the powers are same there, and so I will write in the same bracket and give their common power as we done in the earlier question. So we can do. I remind you again that I applied this rule. If 2 multiply 3 and the combined power is 4, then I can write in the expanded form like this. It means if these are the expanded form, then I can write in combined form. The question is in expanded form of exponential, so I will make the single exponential. Clear? Here you will see 19 and 19 are cancelling each other at the ones table, and 7 is cancelling 21 at the table of 3. Now I am left with 3 in the bracket and the power 4. So I will find the value. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 multiply 3, that is 81. See, 3 multiply 3, that is 9. This 9 will be multiplied with 3, 27, and this 27 will be multiplied 3, that is 81. Here you see how many 3 are: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when we multiply 3 4 times, then the answer is 81.